Welcome to my channel. I will show you how to make this into a wire clamp. It's very easy. You take one side out, and the other side. Do this quickly. I think you get the hang of it. Take it all out, and it's something like this. We get a nut and we notch it with a file, that side and that side, so it will fit in here, as you can see here. We notch it out, as you can see. This goes up and down. To put it in, you put it in the middle, and you get a little hammer and you bang it in. Because it expands, it will close back up and it will go up and down. Then you get a flywheel, a butterfly, or a fly nut, how they call them, I don't know. And you put it on. When you drill the hole on this side, and it works up and down. And then you notch on this side like on the other side. You do the same notch. You drill a hole through here and you put a nail or a pin, something like this. It's very easy. You don't need to cut pipes, you don't need to do anything like that. It's really simple and easy. You could do it in 2 hours time, even less, if you've got a angle grinder. If you've got a file, it'll take you a little longer. It's very simple and it's easy to make. Thank you for watching.